Lane. This is my latest diddley bow. It's going to a teacher. He teaches heating and air conditioning. He said it's his favorite things in the world are heating and air and music. So I made him a heating and air diddley bow. Anyway, there's the roof pretty loud. Thank you, thank you.
Tell them what the parts are.
Well, it's heat and air parts. You got box connectors. Got some wires coming out of a capacitor. And of course there's one little wood plug on the end. I couldn't find any rubber plugs. And this is a piece of 10-inch ductwork. And of course it's 30 gauge. And I just cut circles out and put them in there and bolted it together, tuned it up, and there it is. I just got to get my skills up a little bit more. Thank you, bye.